Good evening, this is Luke Thomas, QuakePrediction.com here with the Earthquake channel. It is December 18th at 10:17 in the evening, Friday, December 18th, 2020. We're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to show you what we're seeing behind my shoulder here so you can see what we're seeing. We're going to start out with the quakes that hit during the last 24 hours. We've got a 3.6 in southern Albania. In our warning area, that 90% risk area that we were talking about in the last couple of videos. 3.6 hit there, small one. And then if you look back a couple of videos, you see that we're talking about significant earthquake 4.5 to 5.0 in Shizuoka and Izu, Japan, and 4.8, 4.9, and a bunch of smaller earthquakes hit in our warning area in that spot. We're calling for a strong earthquake southwest of Anchorage near Kodiak Island. And we got a 5.0 earthquake in Sand Point, and still expecting something stronger in the Kodiak's area and southwest of Anchorage tonight. All right, we're going to go over to the map here, QuakePrediction.com, and we're going to click on the California. We're going to start with California, and we're going to start with the California forecast, and you can see there's two models here. One is Southwest California, and the other one is in Southern California, down near the Salton Sea. Now, expecting a very strong earthquake on Sunday, December 20th, in Southern California near the Salton Sea. Everything is setting up for that. We still could get something in that area, southwest California, northwest of Los Angeles, in that hot spot. But so there's two hot spots, one northwest of LA, and the one I'm most concerned about right now, both of them are significant, is the one near the Salton Sea, where we could get a very strong earthquake on Sunday. So we'll give you an update on that tomorrow as well, but it looks like a 5.0 to 6.0 is likely near the Salton Sea or in northwest of LA. Let's go to the Alaska forecast, and you can see that we still have this area down near Kodiak Island, and the risk continues there for a possible 6.0 earthquake near Kodiak Island, and that risk continues on the 18th into the 19th southwest of Anchorage. And then on the 19th into the 20th, the risk diminishes, and there's a small area out here in the ocean on the 19th and 20th, and then the 20th and 21st, the risk pretty much disappears by that time. All right, we're going to go down to Chile, and again, we're looking for a significant earthquake tonight. Antofagasta, southeast of there, and northeast of Copiapo, and that continues, and then the risk diminishes after that. And then on the 19th into the 20th, the same area, but northeast of Antofagasta, where a 4.0 to 4.5, maybe even a 5.0 is possible in that area northeast of Antofagasta on the 19th and the 20th. And then again, another 5.0 is possible very close to Antofagasta in northern Chile on the 20th to the 21st. Over on our Italy forecast, you can see the risk over northwest Italy is from the 18th into the 19th, but on the 19th and the 20th, which is coming up tomorrow, it looks like that risk down near the Sicily and Catania, just southeast of Catania and Sicily, there's an area of 95% risk area. A 4.5 is likely there. And then the risk diminishes there on the 20th into the 21st, and a slight risk in the far northwest on the 20th, 21st of it in Italy. In our Japan forecast, as we had mentioned, the Shizuoka earthquakes hit down here near Shizuoka, and now our risk is down near Kumamoto, Miyazaki, and Nagasaki in the far south and west portions of Japan on the 18th and the 19th, and again on the 19th and the 20th, still down in that area. And then on the 20th to the 21st, the risk pretty much diminishes across Japan. Things can increase quickly, so keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, very high risk down in west and southwest Japan near Kumamoto in the next 24 hours. In the Philippines, we're looking for about a 4.5 east of Manila in the next 12 to 24 hours, and then northwest of Manila in the northern portion of the Philippines on the 19th and the 20th. And then on the 20th to 21st, it gets pretty quiet across the Philippines. All right, here's an interesting forecast in Greece. Now the risk, the 18th and 19th continues in North Macedonia and down near east of Crete. And then on the 19th and 20th, kind of quiet across Greece, maybe a 4.0 in western Greece in that period. But then look at this, on the 20th and the 21st, 4.5 to 5.0 is likely northwest of Athens, Greece, and I believe that's Thessaly, Greece, the province of Thessaly. And that's on December 20th and 21st. Watch for that. In northern and northwest Greece on the 20th and 21st. All right, in Central America, and still a potential of a quake offshore Mexico in the next 12 hours. Then the risk shifts down tomorrow on the 19th down south of Costa Rica and western Panama, where a 4.5 to 5.0 is likely. And then a 5.0 to 5.5 is possible south of Mexico and southwest of Guatemala on the 19th and the 20th. And then the risk shifts to Belize on the 20th to 21st, and northern Honduras. All right, in our Ecuador forecast, it's pretty quiet across Ecuador on the 18th and 19th. In the northwest and western Ecuador, maybe a 4, 3.5. Same thing on the 20th, 19th and 20th. And still quiet on the 20th to 21st, maybe a 3.5 to 4.0 in the western, northwest Peru and western Ecuador during this forecast period. So pretty quiet. Down in Indonesia, let's look at the forecast there. It is already late in the afternoon on the 19th over there. So this forecast is still valid. A 5.0 is possible offshore northwest Sumatra. And then on the 19th into the 20th, we could get a 5.5 in northern Sumatra, anywhere in the northern portion of Sumatra there. And then it quiets down a little bit, and it still could get a 5.0 far off into the northern islands there off of northern Sumatra on the 20th and 21st. And then in Taiwan, let's look at that forecast. Risk is still high on the 18th into the 19th in southern Japan, in these far northern Japanese islands here. 70% across northern Taiwan. And then it gets kind of quiet on the 19th and 20th, and the 20th and 21st still very quiet. In the Caribbean, here's an interesting forecast. 4.5 is still possible from Haiti and Haiti down to south of Dominican Republic tonight. And then the risk shifts to north of Puerto Rico, where a 5.0 is possible on the 18th into the 19th. And then on the 19th into the 20th, east of Puerto Rico near the U.S. Virgin Islands, we could get a 5.0 to 5.5 in the U.S. Virgin Islands there just east of Puerto Rico on the 19th and the 20th. And then the northern Leeward Islands, 4.0 to 4.5 is possible on the 20th to 21st. Now we're going to go to Seattle, Washington link. The Washington, Oregon, Idaho risk. Earthquake risk in southern Idaho is possible yet tonight. Southern Oregon, I'm sorry. And then central Montana yet tomorrow, where a 4.0 is possible. And then the 19th and the 20th, 5.0 is possible offshore southwest Oregon. And a 3.5 is possible in southeast Idaho on the 20th to the 21st. All right, one more forecast in Turkey. This is a very interesting forecast. Cyprus, eastern Cyprus, and northern Syria could get a 5.0 on the next 24 hours. And then the 19th and the 20th, that risk is in eastern Syria and northern Iraq, where 5.0 to 5.5 is possible there. And then the risk is in northern Iran and northeast Iraq on the 20th to 21st. And then a 4.0 to 4.5 is possible in northern Turkey, maybe even near Istanbul on the 20th to 21st. Once again, in California, looking for a very strong earthquake coming up to Southern California. And we have these two different models. This one here says it's going to be in Southwest California, northwest of Los Angeles. And this other model, which I'm kind of leaning toward more right now, is down near the Salton Sea. So expect some big quakes in either of those locations during the next 24 to 36 to 48 hours, especially on Sunday the 20th. And we'll be back on tomorrow evening with another forecast, another update. Please let me know if you like this format. Otherwise, we'll go back to the other format. And if you can see, hopefully you can see what's over my shoulder there, and you can follow along as well. Thanks so much again, and stay safe in Southern California for this big quakes coming up on Sunday, and maybe even tonight. Thank you so much, and please subscribe over at YouTube, and thank you for all those that support us, and we really appreciate it, and we'll be talking to you soon. God bless.